Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a couple of plants that I wanted to repot. So I wanted to take you guys along with me to do that. My name is Jackie here on latinaplants. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Click that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get repotting, you guys. So the first plant I want to repot is this one here. It's my Alocasia macloritiana, I think it's called. So yeah, she's in this teeny tiny pot, and I'm not going to repot her too big. I didn't grab the pot. Let me grab the pot real quick. So I found this cute pot from Target's Dollar Spot, and I'm sorry, you're gonna hear a lot of Christmas music and cars driving around and stuff. I might have to do a voiceover for this video. Anyways, this is the pot, and I have this 2.5 inch pot, and it's basically the same diameter as a small pot, but it's a lot deeper. Let me show you the difference. So I have my soil here. So this is what my soil looks like. Super chunky. And that's what I like to use for my alocasias. So let me tilt you down a little. So I want to use some myco for the roots to help with any kinds of transplant shock. That's what it looks like. I'm going to show you what her roots look like. So this is the next plant that I want to repot, and she's in flugel, and it's moist, but I think I want to still repot her. I'm going to use one of these again. It's a little bit of an upsize. So I'm gonna go rinse this off. I'm just giving her leaves a quick wipe down. I want to repot my Hoya Matilde because She's in like some cocoa chips, and it's very hard for me to keep her hydrated. I hope you guys enjoyed that repot of my Alocasia, my Matilde, Hoya Matilde, and my Hoya, I think it's Cressy Petiolata. I enjoyed doing it. Sorry I couldn't talk throughout the video. There's a lot going on, as you could see the flashing lights throughout the video. I have a light show at my house, and it was very loud outside with excitement of little kids and stuff and music, and I didn't want to get a strike here on YouTube, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Click on that bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I post there regularly. And I'll check you guys out on my next video. Bye!